Hello guys, welcome back to our channel One to Step. Today in this video I'm going to teach you how to fix your Snapchat video glitching. If you're capturing a video through Snapchat and it freezes when recording, then let me teach you how to fix it. Go to settings and go on apps, and on that apps search in Snapchat and click on that Snapchat and click on stories. Now after that, in the bottom screen, as you can see, manage space, or you need to clear cache. And after clearing the cache, go to your Play Store or App Store to check if your Snapchat is on the latest version. Now as you can see, my Snapchat is on the latest version, and after that, if it's still glitching out, then restart your mobile phone. Also, you can also uninstall and reinstall it again for fixing this problem. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Hit the bell icon button to get updates on our new videos and drop a comment for reviews and more contents like this. Thank you for watching.